typically for pilots, I always talk about three things. First is you have to think of your persona. The people you are going to use your product, they're doing something today. And what's the productivity benefit they're going to get? And that productivity benefit is 5%, 10%. The switching cost is so high that that pilot will not succeed. So, and that value for the user with AI has to be very clear. Second, I do need clear, like, you do need to think about the company you're going to deploy and what's the differentiation. So the data, right? So if I'm bringing a pilot into AI product into Rippling, how do you then make that AI product work for Rippling? Whether it could be Rippling code base, like in case of Cursor, whether it could be Rippling data sources to make it more useful for Rippling, employees on a day-to-day basis and make an impact on the productivity. And third is, which is what I find very surprising, is measurability of the outcome the pilot has achieved. I talk a lot of startups I talk to, they're so focused on feature functions that half the time I'm like teasing out statistics of how people are using these products day to day, like things like daily active user, artifacts that were created, and so that I can then make the case that the artifacts that got created using a certain pilot had a value in terms of productivity or a business impact and a business outcome, which then justifies the upgrade to an enterprise-wide deployment. So those are the three sort of criteria. First, the persona and productivity benefit for the persona. Second, like data, bringing organizations' data and create a differentiation. And third, really being able to show the value during the pilot with metrics and statistics and dashboards and outcomes you have driven, time saved. A lot of times I'm showing them like Cursor dashboards or some of our other AI dashboards saying, I don't like, this is the kind of stuff you need to be showing me so that I can then justify the case internally.